Guys, welcome back to another new video. Guys, today I'm explain how to edit MS PowerPoint music or background song. So let's start our video. So I hope subscribe my channel and like this video. So keep watching. Guys, this is my project and welcome to our channel. Then MS Excel tutorial, MS Word tutorial, MS PPT tutorial, PowerPoint tutorial. So number 3, slideshow. Okay, I'm just adding music. So I'm click insert options and click media, audio, and add on my PC. So now open my open my file explorer. So I'm just select boot.com by Russell episode 204. So I'm just insert and the speaker section, click right button and audio style and plain background, then save, and you can see just test. Click start from beginner, just click and test. So guys, I hope enjoy this video. So subscribe our channel, please like, comment. Goodbye.